White kitchens are very popular, but there are a lot of ways to add variety within this neutral color scheme. White cabinets partner beautifully with white marble countertops and a tile backsplash for a serene, traditional look. For a more modern look, select sleek white cabinets with a high gloss finish and play up the glam with metal and glass accents. For a warmer take on white, choose a creamy cabinet finish. Reinforce the warmth with brown tones in the floor, chairs, and window treatments. Create instant impact with a high contrast color combo. White cabinets and tile pop against a chocolate brown wall and dark island finish. Soften an all-white kitchen with a touch of your favorite color on the backsplash. If your preferences change in the future, updating the backsplash is less expensive than replacing cabinets. White works well in any style kitchen. Just remember to use warmth, sparkle, wood tones, and contrast for a personalized look.